Hi, good morning, viewers. We are ready with our third episode of Makers of Bharat, and great to say that this episode is coming in March 2026. We all know March is celebrated as Women's Day, and we are here with a woman entrepreneur, the second generation of Supriya Prototech, Supriya ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Very good morning.
Good morning.
Ma'am, thank you for being on our channel, and we are very happy to have you. So, ma'am, across all these years, you have seen industry. So, you see many people coming into industry right from colleges. What is that one thing you want academia to understand the industry point of view so that they will make future ready, industry ready makers of Bharat?
I think this is a very important question, and I think this is also one which is going on between the industry and the academia for now. So I think 2 points is something that we really need to focus on rather than too many things. Skill is something which is like the first thing that has to be focused on. Next is they should be involved in career, making their career rather than go beyond salaries. So I think skill is the most important. They should be ready. They should be hands-on rather than skill. They should be hands-on. So that is something which is the must in the academy. I think that is important.
Yes, dear academicians, very senior industry spokesperson is saying that please make your students industry ready, teach them skills, those are industry required. So industry needs a different kind of skill set which may not be in the books. Yeah, my second question to you, ma'am. Yes, we have spoken about the academians and the institutions. So let us talk about the individuals, the students who are getting prepared for the next generation entrepreneurs or the managers or the skill professionals. So what is that one bite you want to tell to the students? How can they be employable in the coming up generations?
Okay. See, I think from students' perspective, what they should really do is for the first 5 years of their career, they should do every job from the basic to the manager. So they should be at every levels, do everything on the field, and then be with different levels so that they learn from their experience. Like how a person in the worker in the production department works is very different from the one from the CMD of the company who thinks. So they should be at all the levels and get complete exposure in the first 5 years. Not think about what job they're doing, not think about the salaries, or not think about high designations or anything. First 5 years, just learn and knowledge gathering, and then success will just follow you.
Yes, my friends, that is the message from Supriya ma'am here. So spend time, work hard on the shop floors, work hard on every kind of job, every kind of department in an organization to build your knowledge to become future makers of Bharat. Ma'am, we India are looking ahead to become $3 trillion economy in upcoming years. So what is your message to the young entrepreneurs, startups who are planning to become the future makers of Bharat?
I think the generation now is getting, very modernized. So what we should look at is the international standards and then try to improvise and automate things rather than doing everything on a manual. I know it takes time, but first of all, there is a having an end in the mind is what comes to my mind. So first prepare an end in the mind, saying that this is the standard that I need, and then go towards that. Try to make things automatic, drive processes properly, and have right team, because that is also important. So it's not just your technical or your product, it's product, it's place, it's promotion, processes. All these things have to be done, set up early in advance, because once you get used to your industry, it becomes very difficult to change. Right?
Yeah.
So you start everything early, and then again success will follow you, as you said. Yeah.
Yes, my dear co-founders, an experienced person is saying that change management is the difficult most thing what can be done in any industry, in any process. So we need to set processes, we need to follow international standards, we need to adapt technology as early as possible in the initial days to be big, to be standard, to rule the world. And the last question, ma'am, we Makers of Bharat, we are a very young YouTube channel. We are building an industry academia platform. We want to align industry, academia, students and young entrepreneurs, startups. So what is one message you want to give us, how you want our channel to be, what kind of content?
I think you're already doing a good job. As I said, you have started well. So I think you have to connect to the ecosystem. You being in the center and all the stakeholders being involved in the ecosystem, be it industry, experts, or the students, experienced people in that industry. I think all of them have to be connected. You are like the central portion of the ecosystem. So just connect everybody, gather, and then let us all take it forward together. I think you're already doing a good job. Just push your message to everybody. Keep bombarding so that we all align in one path. And yes, we wish you all the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Yes, this is with the episode 3 of Makers of Bharat with Supriya ma'am. Supriya ma'am is the second gen entrepreneur of Supriya Prototech, and signing off from Hubli. Thank you all.
Thank you.